Here I have TOSCIDO P101, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see TOSCIDO logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. So in the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option wipe cache partition. Then select yes, and after you see the message cache wipe complete here at the bottom, select the first option reboot system now and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.